morning, beautiful people.
Good morning.
This is our last day in Ecuador and we will have an amazing breakfast all together. Thank you, Ellie.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
Good.
So good.
Hungry.
Are you ready to cross into Peru?
Ready for Peru! So excited. Although I know we have a pretty gnarly drive ahead of us.
Yeah.
And it's raining a little bit, but we are positive. They have new tires on their van, so it's all perfect to go.
You have a new truck, basically.
A new old vintage truck.
As I said before, we are crossing into Peru today. We are going to cross into the mountain in La Balsa, La Hormiga. Will be a pretty rough road to get down there, but we are super excited. We are super into it. We can wait to explore another beautiful country.
Let's go.
We refill our tanks.
Yep. And we fill up a little bit our tires with air. Was a little bit low because when we put the tires, we were in Quito, really high altitude. So now we are lower, so the pressure goes down, obviously.
Google Maps says 4 hours and 1 minute, 185 kilometers. Let's go. We arrived in Loja, and yesterday we had a pretty intense day working and editing the videos. Then we learned how to do sourdough bread.
Guys, we just taste the result of this amazing bread and sourdough bread. It's crunchy outside, it's soft inside, and the taste is delicious. So here in Ecuador, they used to put sugar, a lot of sugar in any kind of bread. You ask for salty bread, salado, no dulce, and it's always full of sugar. So I think we will have to cook some of this bread because we really miss this salty bread.
Yeah.
Did you like it, Sara?
I love. Really good.
Did you like it, Frank?
Yeah. We study on the map which road we would like to take down to Peru and what will be the itinerary. So we just plan and we spend a few hours planning our future trip. We are pretty tired because this night there was a fight just in front of our camper until 3 in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning. And then this morning at 7 a.m. they started to do a Zumba class just in front of our truck camper. We are pretty tired because we didn't sleep 1 minute last night.
And today there is a long drive to do to the border with Peru. So in the mountains, but I will try to be focused even if we slept really bad and really low.
I will try to keep editing. It's off-road.
Off-road.
There are some sections of the road that are unpaved, so you just drive and then suddenly you have an off-road, dirt road, and we are really up in the mountain. I don't know how many meters we are in altitude, but we are really, the vegetation just changed. Look.
Look the clouds up there.
The clouds.
See the green and then
we are almost alone on this road, just Trentinelli and us. Wow. I hope that we will arrive safe
yes.
in Peru
Me too.
and not too late.
Yeah, I don't like to drive with the dark, neither Trent, so we hope to be able to get there before it's dark.
This border it's open all day long, all night long, so we don't have a schedule. We just want to avoid to drive with the dark. Here we go. Waterfalls.
Beautiful.
Okay.
It's time to cross a river. We love crossing rivers with Lucky You.
Guys, it's getting intense.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't get worse than this. We're like sliding and peeling out.
Yeah.
This is hard for us. I'm really glad we got new tires. It's intense. How are you guys?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just struggling for the altitude, I think.
Yeah.
The engine.
The engine, really.
We're really heavy, so we're struggling to go uphill.
But
Wow. Only 4 more hours.
don't worry.
No big deal.
Looks like el trampolin de la muerte. You can see the bus barely made it.
Wow.
You can see down here how
Yeah, it's getting pretty intense, guys. Wow. We have another 2 hours and 15 minutes left.
What was that?
I don't know. Actually, guys, I need to confess you something. When we are driving with Lucky You on a dirt road, on off-road, I feel really safe. Like, I'm comfortable. What do you think?
Yeah, we have been through so many really hard off-roads
Yes.
that all these easy off-roads we know what Lucky You is capable of, so we are like okay, nothing will happen, you know.
Yeah, even if it's so old, we
Parts.
always do change parts. Lucky You is doing really well.
I think it's the age, parts after certain age start failing, and
Yeah.
also the mileage after so many kilometers,
Yeah,
parts need to be replaced.
exactly. But still, Lucky You is a beast. Lucky You is...
We love Lucky You,
We
guys.
love Lucky You.
We love it.
And actually, It was amazing to ride a motorcycle and to be able to stop everywhere. And
guys, if you miss the motorcycle series here in Ecuador, go and check it up here. We will put the link up here.
so I was saying it was really cool to be able to do the experience with the motorcycle and to ride a motorcycle for 9 days in Ecuador. And it's okay, when you want to stop, you stop, but then you need to sleep every day in an hotel, so it's really expensive if you think about it.
And it's really nice.
Yeah, it's
having
nice.
hot tub, hot shower, but
But
Lucky Liu is home, so it's different.
Lucky Liu is irreplaceable. Lucky Liu is our home. Lucky Liu is it's our pet. A lot of people said, okay, you don't have a dog, you have Lucky Liu. Exactly. Lucky Liu, the rock star. Beach crossing.
Bridge cross, still really. Wow. Amazing, amazing, guys.
There is no road. We will have another bridge crossing.
Okay, so we are in the last gas station before before Peru. Sorry, the last gas station here in Ecuador. And as you can see, everybody's filling wherever they have, because in Peru will be really expensive, the fuel, and here in Ecuador it's really cheap. So we are almost at the border, probably about 1 hour before getting there. We hope it doesn't get dark before we cross the border, but it's quite late.
This will be our last gas station in Ecuador, so we are filling up everything. Unfortunately, they let you fill the jerry cans only $5 or 3 gallons. I think because otherwise all the people living close to the border of Colombia or from Colombia, from Peru, they will come to Ecuador, fill every jerry cans possible and just go back. So they just let you refill this little amount in the jerry cans of fuel.
Okay, they are making the cancellation of the TAP on the Ecuadorian side.
We're waiting for it, and now we can go to the immigration office and let us our passport stamp.
We will stamp on our passport that we are getting out of Ecuador.
Okay guys, we are at the immigration office, and at the end we stayed 40 days in Ecuador instead of just 2 weeks. That was our plan, but it was amazing. We didn't regret anything, part of the mechanic experience, but it was amazing. This country is beautiful. Now we are doing all the documents. Trent and Ellie, they have a problem with a stamp. I don't know if they gave them a copy or they didn't make the right stamp, or it's really hard to say what is happening. So could be long.
It's already dark, it's night, it's 7:33. We are in the border frontera della Balsa, and since the road to get here it's really rough. It's all off-road.
Yeah.
The GPS Google Maps was saying 4 hours, but we took 7. So it's already dark. It's 7:30 p.m. We hope everything goes smooth. We already finished all our Ecuadorian side.
We just need to go and to check the TAP again.
As soon as we finish here, we can go to Peru and start making all the documents for the Peru side.
Exactly.
Let's
See
go.
you later, guys.
We are putting the sticker here at the border between Ecuador and Peru.
Here we go. We done?
We are done. We're done. Listo. All done. We are ready to go on the Peru side. Let's go.
Gracias. Hasta luego.
Okay. This was fast. Now
Si vienen juntos,
we are entering.
los dos no, son aparte. Primero pasen por acá, vayan acá los colegas de migraciones, los compañeros, está acá de migraciones.
Gracias.
Ahí está migraciones.
Let's start with the stamps of the passport. And then after the passport we go to the vehicle. Here we are. First step.
Bien, gracias.
Repito, ¿todos estos son los míos o has mezclado acá?
Son tuyos nomás, son tuyos. Si los ven separados, porque uno está con pasaporte, con sí, DNI, están separados. Sí, son tuyos nomás.
We are done with the passport and now we are going.
We got stamped for 90 days here in Peru. Now we will do the TIP, the temporary importation permit for our lucky LeAw.
¿De dónde es?
Italia. Il veicolo è di Canada.
We made it.
Yeah, all the papers for Peru are done.
So we are officially in Peru.
Yes.
Another country.
Now we have to find a overlander spot
Yeah.
where to sleep for the night. We are all exhausted.
Yeah.
The two couples are extremely exhausted. We are super hungry. We want to eat.
Super tired.
So we will figure it out what to do now.
And where to go, especially because we are at the border. We don't want to go just really far from the border. We just want to stop here, have dinner, and then go to sleep. And for today, I think we have done our job.
Yeah, we're done enough.
Gracias.
Bye, sir, bye.
Gracias.
Bye, bye, lady, bye.
Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.
Ya lo Do you have any baby food, vegetables, meat? I don't know.
No, I think so.
No?
Yeah.
Does you grow
Close.
wheat?
Weed?
No.
Weed? No, no.
Do you have a little bit? No, it's okay.
No.
No, we don't. Okay. Gracias. Gracias. Ciao.
We'll follow you. Yeah.
We made it,
Made it to
guys. Made it to Peru, and let's put a little bit of color in this beautiful camperitos.
The border crossing costs nothing. It's important that you do the SOAT insurance, but you cannot do at the border. So we will do in the first town where it's possible to do the insurance. Otherwise, it costs nothing. It was really smooth procedure, Ecuadorian side and Peruvian side. So really good.
Now we will eat something and then we will go to sleep because we are completely destroyed. We will catch you tomorrow. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done already.
It's for free.
Yes.
It will cost you nothing and it will mean a lot to us.
And we are close to Christmas, guys, so please be kind, be supportive. We love you guys, we appreciate you. We hope you enjoy all our contents.
Ciao beautiful people!
Ciao!
Ci vediamo domani!
Sì, domani.